Here we have number 10. We see that EFGH is a kite, and we're asked to find the measurement of angle G. Right? So we need to know that these here of angle E and angle G here are congruent. So I can label it as just X and X. So you could set up that equation of 120 plus 50 plus X has to be equal to 360. This is 170 plus 2x is equal to 360. Minus 170 to both sides, we get 2x is equal to 360 minus 170. That gets you 190. Then we divide by 2 to both sides. This gets you x is equal to 95. All right, so angle G is equal to 95 degrees. B, notice that this is 90 degrees and this is 90 degrees. So we can say 110 plus 90 plus 90 plus, I'm going to make x angle G. Plus x is equal to 360. Let's combine some like terms. 110 plus 90 plus 90. That gets you 290. Plus x is equal to 360. Subtract 290 to both sides. Subtract 290 to both sides. X is equal to 360 minus 290. That gets you 70. X is equal to 70 degrees. Right? Then C. The fact that we know that this is 100, we also need to know that this is 100. We don't know what G is quite yet. Okay? We can now set up the equation. 70 plus 100 plus 100 plus x is equal to 360. This is 270 plus x is equal to 360 minus 270 to both sides. I get x is equal to 360 minus 270, which is 90. So we can say angle G is equal to 90 degrees right here. Right? And angle G here is equal to 70 degrees. Right? So there you go. That is how you use the properties of a kite to solve for a missing angle measurement.